In this video, we're going to calculate the standard deviation of the following data set. This is the same data set that we used in our other example. So the first thing we're going to do is find the mean. We've already calculated the mean to be 68.8. Remember that the X bar is our symbol for the mean of a sample set of data. In step 2, we're going to subtract the mean from each point in our list. We're basically finding the distance from each point back to the mean. So for example, 62.5 minus 68.8 equals a negative 6.3. The negative 6.3 is basically telling us that that point, 62.5, is to the left of our mean, which is what makes it negative on a number line. In step 3, we're going to square each of those differences. So negative 6.3 squared becomes 39.69, negative 0.8 squared becomes 0.64. The reason why we square these is so that all the numbers will become positive, because we want to find in step 4 the summation of that column. We use our little summation symbol to mean add up that column. So 39.69 plus 0.64 plus 7.29, etc. equals a total of 161.9. In step 5, we're going to divide that total by one less than the number of data points. This is very similar to finding the average of a data set. The only difference is we use one less than the number of things in the list. So in this list we have 15 numbers, which means we're going to divide by 14. So 161.9 divided by 14 equals 11.564. In step 6, we're going to take the square root of that number to find the standard deviation. So the square root of 11.564 equals 3.4. If you notice on the right that we have the formula for standard deviation. That formula basically is the 6 steps that we've just completed all in one formula. So we found the mean, we subtracted the mean from each number in the list, we squared those differences, we took the summation of those differences, or the summation of the squares, excuse me, we divided by one number less than the number of items in the data set, and then we took the square root of that total. And that's what we have to do to find the standard deviation of a data set.